Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find serial number for your headphones Beats Studio Pro using application. You have to start by open Beats application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and and right here we have serial number, so you can check it here. Or you can also find serial number at your headphones. So right here at the right ear cup we have also SN, what means serial number, so you can check it here, and this one is the same number as in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!